In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and enter a new bill for your business. Navigating financial documents might seem complex, but with these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the process in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the business menu. You can find this at the top of your screen. It's a primary entry point and central hub for all financial operations within your system. Selecting it will give you access to various options aimed at managing your business's financial activities. Once you're in the business menu, head over to Vendor, and from there, choose New Bill. This is a crucial step because it sets the wheels in motion for entering new billing information into your system. Now that we have the right menu open, it's time to fill out the bill information. Here, you'll be specifying key details about the bill. Start with the vendor field. If this is a vendor you've worked with before, you'll find their name on your existing list. However, if this is your first transaction with this vendor, take a moment to create a new entry for them. This helps ensure that all future dealings with this vendor remain organized and easily accessible. Next, you'll need to enter the bill ID. This is typically the invoice or reference number provided by the vendor. It's essential to enter this number accurately, as it helps in tracking payments and future referencing. Think of it as a unique fingerprint for this particular bill transaction. It differentiates it from all others and makes record-keeping much more straightforward. Moving on, enter the date opened. This date should correspond to the day you received the bill. Accurate documentation of this date ensures that your accounting records match your actual billing activities, which is vital for financial audits or reconciliations. Lastly, fill in the due date. This is when the payment for the bill is expected. Vendors usually stipulate specific payment terms, so make sure to adhere to this timeline to maintain healthy business relations and avoid any potential late fees. Accurately noting this date also aids your cash flow management, enabling you to prepare timely payments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully entered a new bill into your system, making it ready for processing and eventual payment. These tasks, while simple, play a critical role in maintaining the financial health of your business by keeping records organized and up to date. Remember, mastering this process not only helps in remaining compliant, but also enhances your efficiency in handling business finances. So keep practicing, and soon enough, this will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your business running smoothly.